I'm Sucheta and we are doing lots and lots of wall plates. This is called as texture artwork and we are doing it on different plates. So this is a beautiful intricate work done on compressed wood. ये compressed wood पे काम किया हुआ है, नीचे brass bell लगाया है and very intricate texture artwork which has been done with the help of the cone. So ये हम in house बनाते हैं material और फिर उससे ये plates बनाते हैं. These are called as cow head masks. ये साल की लकड़ी पे बना है. This is made on sal wood. And these are wall mountable. पीछे इसके हैंगर होता है and they are considered very auspicious. ये बहुत अच्छे auspicious होते हैं because how in Indian culture we respect and revere cows. इसलिए ये लगाने से बहुत कलरफुल एंट्रेंस बनता है. सो दिस इज़ अगेन वेरी ब्यूटिफुल हैंडीक्राफ्ट बाय द रूरल विमेन ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. सो दिस इज़ अगेन वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इनोवेशन डन ऑन द प्लेट. ये हमने कंप्रेस वुड पे चेरियल मास्क लगाया है एंड देन द ज्योमेट्रिक पैटर्न इज मेड अराउंड इट. इट इज़ विद टेक्सचर आर्टवर्क एंड ब्रास बेल ऑन द डाउन साइड. So it is again very beautiful wall mountable wall decor item. This is a beautiful bird plate. This is called texture artwork and ये ceramic का plate रहता है. इसके पीछे हम hanger लगाएंगे and then it can be put on the wall. It is very beautiful, handcrafted and very exclusive and colorful. Everybody, it's one of the best sellers from us. This is, we have put a cow motif in the center and पूरा side में बहुत beautiful हमने texture artwork किया है. It is inspired with the Pitchway artwork which is done originally in Rajasthan Nathdwara. So this is Pitchway plate on compressed wood with metal bell. This is again Srinath Ji. Srinath Ji is a Pitchway plate and beautiful colors, bright colors have been taken with metal bell. It looks very eye-catchy, beautiful, colorful plate, handcrafted on compressed wood. It is very beautiful, sturdy and handcrafted is of course very exclusive. This is a beautiful wall clock. This is handcrafted. ये टर्किश आर्टवर्क से इंस्पायर किया हुआ है एंड पीछे क्लॉक लगाया है विच इज़ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. इट हैज़ वारंटी फॉर 2 years एंड पूरा हैंडक्राफ्टेड. इट मेक्स अ वेरी यूनिक आइटम एंड दिस इज़ अगेन मेड बाय द रूरल विमेन. This is a very beautiful artwork done, brush painting done on compressed wood. Look at the finishing and iska cutting has been done in hexagonal manner. Very different cutting. It is a wall plate yet with a different touch. All hand painted, handcrafted. It is very unique. इंडिया में भी अब टर्किश प्लेट, अब आपको बाहर नहीं जाना है. टर्किश पैटर्न्स वी आर मेकिंग. द रूरल विमेन ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश आर ट्राइंग देयर हैंड विद द इंस्पायर्ड वर्क फ्रॉम टर्किश आर्टवर्क. सो इट्स सच अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेट मेड ऑन सिरेमिक एंड इतना सुंदर लगता है. इट इज़ 3D पॉप्ड आउट, ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स, वेरी आई कैची. दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल मधुबनी पैटर्न. इस पे सन गॉड बनाए हैं. अगेन वेरी ऑस्पिशियस. एनीबडी हु इज़ पुटिंग सन प्लेट, समथिंग टू डू विद आर deity, sun is our god. So ये beautiful texture artwork with grey and gold, very unique color combination on ceramic with a metal hanger, can be hanged on the wall. It looks very beautiful and very different. Again made by the rural women of Madhya Pradesh. So beautiful. You don't have to go to any foreign market to buy beautiful wall plates. This is hand embroidered. इसमें पूरा, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज द रूम ऑफ प्लांट्स. इसमें एक ब्यूटिफुल विंडो है, कारपेट रग इज़ देयर एंड लॉट ऑफ प्लांट्स, ऑल हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड एंड बैक साइड हैज़ बीन सील्ड एंड इसको हुप पे ही रखा है सो दैट इट लुक्स वेरी नेचुरल. एंड देयर इज़ अ हैंगर प्रोविजन, यू कैन हैंग इट ऑन द वॉल. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. ड्राई डस्टिंग कीजिए और या फिर गीला कपड़ा से पोंछ के इसको मेंटेन कीजिए. वेरी यूनिक, हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड. You will not find it anywhere else. Such a hard work has been done by the rural women. Very beautiful. This is a very beautiful pitchway plate made on compressed wood. This is compressed wood. यहाँ से आप इसको hang कर सकते हैं and all hand painted, very intricate pattern done with brush. It is brush painted and the varnish has been done. तो आपको जब clean करना है तो बस dry dusting कीजिए. Very beautiful wall decor item, handcrafted. This is very beautiful African inspired wall plate done by the rural women of Madhya Pradesh. This is called texture artwork. 3D cone work है जो पूरा pop out लगता है from the plate. Compressed wood पे किया है, hanging provision है. Very very beautiful, very unique. Look at the 3D pop-out work. Very beautiful. This is very beautiful Cherial mask. Cherial mask is put on the plate and then a beautiful colorful pattern is made around it. It is made on wood. There is a wall hanging provision. It's a beautiful piece of artwork which can be put on your home walls. Handcrafted, looks very different, very beautiful. This is a very beautiful oil painting has been done on mango wood. It's a raw look, पूरा log, as if a log has been cut and उस पे painting किया है, has a wall hanging provision and oil painting done on wood log. It's so beautiful, so pretty. These are all beautiful handcrafted fridge magnets. These are made on compressed wood. Lot of bright and beautiful designs and patterns have been given. Small elephant is there, butterfly is there. Then there are beautiful mask, Sri Lankan mask inspired magnets have been made. Beautiful variety, all made on wood. So bright and colorful, made by the rural women of Madhya Pradesh. This is very beautifully Madhubani inspired artwork done on compressed wood. इसको texture art बोलते हैं. 3D layers में दिखता है. It's so beautiful, all crafted by the rural women of Madhya Pradesh. We are skill training these women to create beautiful handicrafts for your wall decor. We are available on Instagram handle Culture Isle India. Do visit and shop from us because this is going to benefit the rural women and their hard work is going to be rewarded by your purchases.